What if the next global superpower isn't decided by oil or armies or even population, but by intelligence? Not human intelligence alone, artificial intelligence. Throughout history, the balance of power between nations has shifted whenever a transformative technology emerged. Steam engines reshaped empires. Electricity redrew industrial maps. Nuclear energy redefined military dominance. Now a new force is rising, and it may change global power more quietly, but more profoundly than anything before it. If you enjoy deep cinematic explorations of how technology shapes our world, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's look at why AI could redefine global power in the 21st century. History moves in waves. Nations that master the defining technology of their time rise. Those who lag behind struggle to keep up. In the 19th century, industrial machinery determined wealth. Countries that built factories and railroads surged ahead. In the 20th century, oil and nuclear technology became strategic assets. Control over energy meant influence. Today, intelligence itself is becoming the critical resource. AI is not just a tool, it is a multiplier. It improves military systems, financial markets, healthcare, logistics, education, and cybersecurity. It accelerates decision-making and amplifies economic productivity. And when a resource amplifies everything else, it reshapes power. Economic dominance has always depended on efficiency. The faster a country can produce goods, move information, and innovate, the stronger its economy becomes. AI enhances all of this. Automated manufacturing powered by AI reduces costs. AI-driven supply chains optimize distribution. Intelligent financial systems detect patterns and reduce risk. Entire industries become more productive with fewer resources. Countries that integrate AI deeply into their economies will grow faster and adapt quicker. Over time, even small advantages compound, and compounded advantages become dominance. Power between countries has often been measured in military capability. AI is quietly transforming that landscape as well. Autonomous systems, predictive analytics, cyber defense, surveillance, all rely on advanced AI models. Nations that lead in AI can process battlefield information faster, anticipate threats earlier, and coordinate responses more effectively. The future of defense may depend less on sheer numbers and more on intelligent systems. When speed of decision becomes the difference between success and failure, AI becomes strategic. AI does not exist in isolation. It depends on chips, data centers, and energy. This creates a new kind of geopolitical competition. Control over advanced semiconductor manufacturing has already become a strategic issue. Countries are investing heavily in domestic chip production to reduce reliance on foreign suppliers. Data centers are being built at unprecedented scale. Energy grids are being expanded to support AI workloads. The competition is no longer just about ideas. It is about infrastructure. Artificial intelligence learns from data. The more data available, the more refined the models become. Countries with large populations, digital ecosystems, and advanced connectivity have an advantage. They generate enormous streams of information that can be used to train AI systems. But this also raises complex ethical and privacy questions. How data is collected, governed, and protected becomes part of national strategy. Data is becoming the oil of the digital era, but unlike oil, it grows every day. AI doesn't only benefit large nations. In some ways, it levels the playing field. A smaller country with strong education systems, smart regulation, and targeted investment can leapfrog traditional barriers. They don't need vast natural resources. They need talent and infrastructure. AI creates opportunities for influence that don't rely solely on geography or population size. Power becomes less about territory and more about intelligence. Whenever power shifts, imbalance follows. If AI capability becomes concentrated in only a few countries, inequality between nations could widen dramatically. Access to advanced AI tools might determine economic growth, healthcare quality, and national security. The question becomes not just who leads, but how leadership is shared, regulated, and managed responsibly. Global cooperation may become as important as competition. Artificial intelligence is not just another technological trend. It is a structural shift in how nations generate influence. Economic growth, military capability, infrastructure development, and innovation all increasingly depend on AI. The balance of power between countries will not change overnight, but over the coming decades, nations that invest wisely, regulate thoughtfully, and build resilient ecosystems around AI will rise. The future of global power may not be decided by who has the largest army. It may be decided by who builds the smartest systems. If you found this exploration valuable, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The world is changing, and understanding these shifts is how we prepare for what comes next. Because the next era of power won't be fueled by land or oil, it will be fueled by intelligence,